Hi everybody, and welcome back to another ACTY video. In today's video, we're going to be restoring the bumper and the side mirrors on the ACTY. So let's get started. All right, camera's ready to go. Oy. Okay, so here's what we're using for today's job. As always, my trusty $20 toolkit. I always am using this thing on the truck. Highly recommend it. And then we got some Rustoleum trim and bumper paint. I'm also going to be using a bit of Evapco Rust. Shout out to one of the first few videos I made on the channel. So I'm going to take the license plate little mounts from the bumper and put those in some Evapco Rust. Okay, we'll let those hang out for like an hour while we paint the bumper. And I just put a little rag over the horn to protect it. You can already see what a huge difference that's making. And that's only the first coat. Okay, let's see. Okay. Looks like 3 screws to get the mirror off. Woo! There's one. Yay! There's the mirror. Woo! So while I'm watching paint dry, I thought I'd take this opportunity to thank everyone that's shown support for the channel over the last year or two while I've been making K-Truck videos. Whether that was leaving an encouraging comment or buying my service book, I greatly appreciate it. I see those things and it helps me keep going. My goal for this year is to make double the amount of truck videos I made last year, so I want to make 20 videos, and I'm hoping we can hit 3,000 subscribers on the channel. So if you enjoy the videos, if you're not subscribed yet, please consider hitting that button. Alright, back to watching paint dry. Alright, let's check out, see how this is looking. It's looking pretty good. That's our second coat now. I think my plan is to do one more final coat, 3 coats total, and we'll reinstall it. While I'm waiting for my paint to dry, I'm just making myself useful in cleaning up my glove box. I noticed when I did my rad video that this thing was extremely dirty and dusty. I am thinking that's looking pretty bloody good, so I'm going to reinstall these. That was the easiest thing we've done on the truck in a very long time. That was nice. I think a bloody mosquito got me right on the freaking face. Oh, it itches. Bastards. Ow. Okay, there you have it, folks. Huge improvement. I love it. Let's check out the before. Alright everybody, it's finished. It looks really good. Look at that radiator in there shining. Love it. Overall, really easy project, but it makes a huge difference. It looks really good. I'm really happy with the results. If you guys enjoyed this video, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.